it was almost as bad as Skyrim with those freaking little lockpicks that constantly break. Every time I ever opened a lock in Skyrim, I felt like I got lucky.
Ah, and there it is. The witch's tomb.
Dreadful looking place, isn't it?
No, I like it. Look at the hemp from New World, folks. The purple New World hemp. Okay, it looks like a catacombs.
You luck retrieving the helmet. As a carrier, you should have an advantage. Now, before you set off, do you have any questions?
Yeah, what am I doing? What might I encounter in the tomb?
Do you have any idea what could be waiting for me inside the tomb?
Considering a dark witch was involved,
Were you John Roman? I sucked.
Chance you may encounter the dark protectors, known as Inferi.
Inferi.
Foul creatures thrive on darkness and the cold.
Okay.
Vanquish them with light, force, and most effectively fire.
Yeah, no problem. It's all I got equipped there, buddy. I haven't played this yet, but lockpicking in Skyrim came super easy to me, says Brian Fifth. You guys are all good at lockpicking. 2 days of playing, give or take.
Here, eagerly awaiting your return.
I love you guys.
Be careful.
I love you guys, but I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I'm a little bit jealous if you, Joe Roman and Brian Pfeiffer were just like, yeah, what, lockpicking, no big deal. I break freaking 8 of them to open one lock, man. Okay, I'm afraid to light up anything. Okay.
Revelio.
Okay.
It's sealed. Revelio. Moths. Curious.
Light. I'm gonna have to get some light up, guys. It's scary though. Sorry, sir. I want to do this. I want to do this. And I have to go to T, and we gotta put a light spell up, guys. We'll put that there. We might as well stick. Oh, I already had that up. It was number 3, guys. I'm trying to put like some useful stuff on this. Yeah, maybe a little no, that shouldn't go there. I should have a yellow one here. And I should have a red one here, even if it's just this this nuke. And that thing doesn't need to be there right now. We're not going to use it, so let's put this here. That way, if the crud hits the fan while we got the wrong spell open, we're still okay.
Revelio.
Okay, well.
Lumos. Revelio.
There's no, I mean, I'm not supposed to do anything here, right? Had 6-year Skyrim game going. Garage burnt down. Lost it all. Melted heap. Ooh, John Roman. I could smell it. I got Lumos up. Yeah, Sean. How am I doing?
Lumos.
Is there some? Oh, okay. I got him with me now.
Revelio. Lumos.
Where'd he go?
Merlin's beard.
Merlin's freaking beard.
Revelio. Lumos. Lumos. Revelio. Lumos.
Bring moth to the door. Okay, I guess I got it close enough because the door opened, right, Sean? So that much I got lucky on. Okay, we have upgrades. We should probably put them on. Just take a second. Go to gear oleo. We didn't see any hands. We didn't see any facha. Headwear. That's the one we got. Okay, let's check it. Oh, I see. It's the one with the offense 31. Ooh, massive upgrade. Good. Just look for the yeah. And ooh, defense 27, no trade applied. 29. Defense 29. This is better. Okay. Okay, good. Yeah, light. Moths are where you kind of do light spells. Am I right?
Revelio. Lumos. This can't be the witch's tomb. Likely I need to go further.
Whoa, Protego, no.
Lumos.
Do I have both of them now? It needs one more, guys.
Lumos.
No! No! Okay.
Lumos.
Basic cast on the floor. Oh, to get rid of it?
Lumos.
I need one more fly, guys. But I don't know where the... ¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde está? I passed one? Won't you come into my room? I want to show you all my wares. I just want to find a moth. Your character looks like a hippie protesting the Vietnam War, bruh. I'm laughing so hard. Brian Pfeiffer, dude. Wait.
Lumos.
Dude. That's what he looks like, man. Stockinger with the 310. Yo, what's up, Charlie? I love this game. Dude, I
Yo,
love
what's
this game,
up, Charlie? I love this game.
I didn't play this game for 2 days. Deposo that. Deposo what? Oh, that other door. Yeah, I hit the other door. Ah, got you. And then we'll go and we're gonna find the other. Situation, guys. We got to put the Deposo. Deposo. We'll put it here. And then number 4. Okay, now wait.
Lumos.
I'm not gonna get jumped. Okay. Okay, wait. I gotta do this real quick.
Revelio.
Just gotta check it, folks. What's coming to my room? John Roman on door. Yeah, we got it, guys. We got it. Yeah, I didn't know that. I've never used that before, guys.
I have a feeling I'm not alone here.
Oh, God. Okay, a fairy must be struck with fire spells and make them vulnerable to other attacks.
Lumos.
No!
Confringo. Levioso. Accio. Incendio. They're suddenly persistent. Confringo. Incendio. Accio. Confringo. Accio. Incendio.
No hit. No hit, guys. Did I deserve a no hit? No, I didn't. I did not do that perfectly. But I never got hit. I imagine the scene of the hippie dude getting Forrest Gump to talk at the podium about the war. Yeah, right. Isn't that funny? Stench of the dead.
Revelio.
Smash them. Well, they told me fire to make them weak, and then I put talent points in this spell. Oh my god. In this spell right here. Accio. To where it will pull 2 toward me. And then I put talent point in Incendio, where it does the ring of fire. So what I tried to do is stun them with fire, suck 2 of them in, hit them both with the Incendio ring of fire. Do you know what I'm saying? That's what I was doing there. And I ain't gonna lie, this was the first time that I actually had a chance to take advantage of those talents. I applied like a long freaking time ago, man.
Confringo.
Well, I say a long time. Oh wait, sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Lumos.
And it took me forever to switch. God, I'm really good with the 1 key and the 2 key, guys. I'm not really good with the F1 and F2. F1. It's like a trap, folks. We got a butterfly. We got a couple.
Lumos.
Paste it.
Lumos.
Paste it.
Lumos. Lumos. If I could power it somehow, it looks like it could be limited. Accio. Lumos.
Huh. What happens when you give an intelligent chess player Hogwarts? He murks everything. Well, that's very kind. Wait. This is a door right here.
This has a moth imprinted on it. The same as the door.
What does this does? Wait, what does?
Lumos. Levioso. Depulso.
You need to put a moth in that. Put a moth in what? If you loved it, then you would. So take one of these moths. It said you could spin stuff. Okay, so spin this sucker. Knight to e5. Wrong game. If you love me, then you would put some spin on it. Hey, I figured it out, guys. I figured it out by myself. I mean, it's not rocket scientist, right? But I did figure it out myself. Now, yeah, get on the platform. Get in the platform that he posted. No, you just come up here to get the to get your other pooper. And we put this here. And then we get this one. Wait a minute. No. What? Oh, right here.
Lumos.
Hey! This is fun. The combat was very scary, guys. One thing I should do.
Lumos.
I should equip these spells. I have a lot of Maxima spells. Of these potions, guys. So I might as well equip them.
Revelio. Lumos.
I'm a little bit scared, guys.
What's that hanging there? Looks precarious.
It does.
Down I go. No other way.
I could totally not whack this freaking door with the number 4, bruh. You said no other way. Why they gotta trick me like that?
Revelio. It's sealed shut from the other side.
Dude, we're getting a lot of money from this dungeon, though.
Lumos.
Are you planning on finishing the game? Oh, Timmy! This makes me think of Prince of Persia puzzle, does it? The question is, how many playthroughs am I gonna do? Is what I'm thinking. Oh, it wants that thing, guys.
Revelio.
Ah. Good, we got a upgrade. And now we can't get across. In New World, I'm like, in New World you could actually make that jump. You guys see that jump, man? Is that awesome? See, they probably want you to move that over there, but we just made the jump in New World style. Now, do I need to bring that in here for anything, guys? I don't think it's going to fit down the hole. That was hardcore parkour, man. Yeah, can someone do clip 120? Or, yeah, do like clip, exclamation point clip 120. I do it sometimes, it doesn't work. Make it 180, exclamation point clip 180. Just like that. It should make a clip, but if you could do exactly that for me, that way I know I'll have it. So if anyone does it, exclamation point clip space 180. That'll clip back 3 minutes, and then I'll have that as a clip. I know, but I need someone to clip that for me because I just did it, but half the time I do it, it doesn't work. I'm not kidding. It's like because I'm doing it from this other interface. Timmy got it. Now someone might repeat it because there's a delay. Thank you, everyone that did it, but that's good enough. We got it now. If you repeat it by accident, thank you for helping me, guys. Now down the hole.
Oh.
Okay, it won't let me cast my spell. Rhodes nails it too at the 240. Rhodes is like, I'm gonna be sure. Rhodes, thank you, man.
Revelio.
Yeah, that was like the freaking hardcore parkour in Elden Ring, man. That was one of my most successful reels ever. Was that the hardcore parkour in Elden Ring? When I had to jump up and do that crazy little jumping thing, and we did it, man. We freaking did it. Okay, I'm gonna look at this room. Nick Carroll says, "How's the night going, Charlie?" Wait for it. Wait for it. Where can we get some original music? I just discovered someone's brother went crazy. This is the kind of jam I want more originals. Where'd you see that one, Nick Carroll? No, I don't know where my gun is, but I know I got it close. That's a great song. Well, I shouldn't say that. I wrote the song. I'll say this. In my heart, that song means a lot to me. There's actually a not disturbing, but like a really crazy amount of that song. Oh God.
Levioso, Lumos, Confringo, Depulso, Lumos.
No! No! I'm trapped!
Depulso, Confringo. Depulso, Levioso.
Sing to me.
No! I don't want Lumos. I need these spells.
Confringo, Accio,
No.
Incendio. Levioso, Incendio. Confringo. Confringo. Accio. Incendio. Accio. Confringo. Incendio.
Get me out of here! I just looted.
Confringo. Accio. Confringo. Accio. Levioso. Incendio. Confringo. Incendio. Confringo. Confringo. Accio.
I wasted health potions, guys. I only have one left, man. Charlie, double tap your roll button. It's cooler. I know. And I have to hold my, Courtney Reed, sing to me. 200 stars. Nick Carroll says, I love it. Yeah, Nick Carroll, where was? Oh, it was on SoundCloud. Wow. I didn't even know that song was on there, man. Charlie, have you used the unforgivable curses yet? No. Why don't you deflect instead of dodging? Because I'm so used to the freaking bad guys that you can't deflect from. Guys, Courtney Reed is in the house. Can we get a big round of applause for Courtney Reed? She just got off work, folks.
Looks even more complex.
How you doing, Courtney? I love you, baby. I'm guessing you made it home, or you're out on the town having a good old time. Someone came in earlier, Courtney, asking about you. Just like checking on you. Someone hadn't been around for a while. They're like, hey, yeah. Whoa. They're like, hey, I haven't been around for a while. How's you doing? How are you doing? How's Courtney? I'm good, home safe. Oh, I love you, baby. I'm working, man. The Warzone stream only lasted a little over an hour. I just couldn't do it, man. But where are we here? We're at 2 hours and 25 minutes doing this, and I see no sign of stopping. I'm feeling pretty good. Let me know if you need a hint, Sean. Yeah, cool, man. I will. We just got to the spot. So now we're gonna. Oh, and you know what I should have done? I should have drank one of my potions, guys. One of my
Lumos.
I should have drank one of my,
Making this spin ought to raise that platform. That must be it.
Okay. Making this spin must raise that platform. That was like the last time, though. You're the cutest, right? Okay, okay. I can't make it spin yet, though. I think I need a butterfly. Donde está butter?
Lumos. Revelio.
Looking, looking, looking. There's stuff up here. There's stuff in there. Okay.
Revelio.
Hints. Making this spin. I can't make that spin. I can't make this thing spin. Not until I put a butterfly in it. Oh, wait. Well, no, there's a butterfly right here, guys. Put the butterfly here. Make it spin. Raise the floor. We've already been here, guys. It's the same. Once you learn how to do it once, it's... Smash like! You're the cutest. Courtney, I love you, baby. John Roman says, yay! Okay, now. Numero 4. Go, no! You gotta be fast, folks! Yeah, I can do it from here. Whoa, whoa. Okay, I gotta go. We gotta try the other side, guys. Dude, why won't it let me go up?
I need to bring moths to the door.
Oh, this goes up too, though, guys. No, wait. Let's see what this does. I need to bring moths to the door. How do you... It's like a moth to a flame. It's like a moth to a door. Here's a moth to the door. What door? What door? What door? Where's a door? Where's a door? Where is a door? Give me that loot. Upgrades. We need them all, folks. Okay, let's try this.
Lumos.
I need to bring moths to the door, he said. The door, he said. Smash it all the way. You can hit it twice, you tricksters! You freaking tricksters! Okay, I gotta go that way first, I think. Whoa.
Lumos.
Where'd my butterfly go? Did it go back? No! I don't want that one yet. I don't want that one yet. Smash. Did it... So did that one butterfly go where he was supposed to go, guys? Because I feel like a loser right now. I feel like a loser! 4. I gotta bring... I was supposed to bring one to the door. Where'd it go? I lost one, guys. I lost one. I see it now, though. But how do you get the last one there, guys? How do you get the last one there?
Lumos.
Okay, is this like a trap? Or just 49 gold, a weird little dead end. Oh, chest. Should be able to mount that. That's ridiculous. Right, guys, we got upgrades, man. So that tells me this is going to be a challenging little dungeon, guys. Because I'm getting upgrades. There's only one by that door to the right. Okay, wait. 49 gold. You coming to me. Splat that sucker. See, I had one in my hand when I came up here, guys. And it's gone. Oh, there he is. Wait.
Lumos.
Splat that sucker. How am I going to get the last one, guys? How am I going to get the last one? It has something to do with this. It has something to do with this one coming up. I have to put the butterfly. Maybe I can do... Hold on a second.
Protego. Accio.
Wait for it.
Repulsor. Accio.
Wait. I don't think this is gonna work. I'm not reinventing the game, but you don't know. I want to try something.
Repulsor. Accio.
I try to steal it. Now put one on the pedestal that rises. Oh, while I'm there with it.
Confringo.
Sorry, sir.
Lumos.
Come to me. Come to me. Okay, here we go, guys. Oh, put one on a pedestal that rises. You mean not this, not this. You mean over here?
Lumos.
Where'd he go? He went back over here. It won't spin. Whatever.
Lumos.
Whatever. I don't know how that worked. No! It didn't work. You had it. Okay. There's one here.
Lumos.
So you say the pedestal that rises. Do you mean this pointy thing that rises, or the elevator we've been taking up and down? No, that. I have 4 butterflies. I don't see the 4 butterflies. I see 3. I see 3. I see 2 on the door and this one. I don't see another butterfly. Oh! I saw it now. Smash! Halt! Smash!
Lumos.
I never saw this. I mean, I guess I obviously did. I didn't realize I had that many. I really, really didn't. But it's gone. It went away. Oh, put it here, maybe. So take this one. Wait. I think I take this last one, guys, and I put this pooper over here. Then I probably shoot this and ride this one up.
Lumos.
Oh my god. Is that it? Is that what I'm supposed to do though? Yeah, we got it, guys. I was on the wrong side though. I couldn't jump. All right. Well. Can't watch. I gotta place this here. I gotta shoot that twice.
Lumos.
Place it with a basic cast. Oh, okay, okay, okay. So just you're saying just. Well, I mean, why can't I place it that way? Why can't I place it that way by shutting my wand off? Okay, now I'm gonna do this. Then shoot it. Just go up the other way. A shot. I'm gonna shoot it and spin this. Then I'm gonna run over to the other thing. Will I be able to grab it? Will my light grab it?
Lumos. Lumos.
Oh my god, it came! I had it! It came. Oh no, it's from the door! It's coming from the door, guys. It's coming from the freaking door.
Lumos.
You had it. I'm not sure I did. I'm not sure I had it, but... Okay.
Lumos.
Hey! Yes! Got it, got it, got it. That was fun, man. Thank you guys for the tips. That was freaking fun.
His final resting place.
Oh, God.
Lodgok said the helmet was in her sarcophagus.
Get it all the way up, says John Roman. Okay, man. Okay, now I gotta be sure I have my I gotta be sure I have my nasty spells available to me. I have 1 health potion, guys. That's bad.
Revelio.
Come on, guys! I'm gonna have to freaking be so good. I don't think I'm good. I don't think I'm good enough.
I'd better show this to Lodgok.
So I'm okay?
Revelio. I know there's a mechanism to open this door.
There is, but dude, I'm not digging this. I got 1 health potion, man. I got 1 health potion. Sometimes there'll be a like before the final boss in the last trial. Courtney Reed with 100 stars. You can do it, Courtney. I love you, baby. You love to see it, folks. This. So we're done.
Lodgok, the sarcophagus had been raided.
You'll smash it.
Only a dead Ashwinder.
Damn, they got here first. We need to get it before Rookwood uses it to further ingratiate himself to Ranrock.
All right.
Their campsite's not far from here, but I fear you must go in alone. My fighting days are behind me.
Campsites are good with the... Perhaps I should get help.
An entire camp of Rookwood's thieves. I might need assistance.
Unfortunately, we have no time. Get to that helmet before Rookwood does, or we will lose our chance at any leverage, no matter how small, with Ranrock. To think those wretched thieves have their hands on such a relic.
Okay. So I guess I gotta go. Oh my god. I have 1 health potion. Okay.
Revelio.
Before the big challenge, there was a chest that gave me a bunch of health pots. Oh, we got a bunch of upgrades, guys. So we have to loot them quick. Yep, upgrades. We have a ton of upgrades, guys. Show. Ooh. Is that Horklump? What is that? Uh-oh. Dude, the music is getting, what's the word? The music is getting, immersive.
Revelio.
Can you craft your own potions? Not right here, I can't. I think I'm kind of in the middle of it. I could burn some, damage potions. Whoa. I heard noise to the right. There's an elk. During the rutting season, they could be more dangerous than a human.
Revelio. These rocks have seen better days.
Dude, there's stuff up there. The hell was that?
Perfect. Target practice. Expulso! My skills are wasted doing this.
Is he a little poacher boy?
Confringo. Potato. Levioso. Confringo.
They say you're hard to hit.
Levioso.
There's talk of what you can do.
Shame nobody saw that.
All my stream saw it, buddy. One of 10. Okay. What is it?
Incendio. Levioso. Confringo.
It's a shame nobody saw that. Isn't that funny? Because most people play this game alone. It's a single player game, right? And like, it's a shame nobody saw that. You did the same thing. You killed that guy too, and no one saw it. And again, the game's like, it's a shame nobody saw that. I'm fortunate.
Abandoned long ago, no doubt.
I feel like there's loot here. Go. Oh, we couldn't investigate, guys.
Confringo.
Do we drop? Okay, I think I know what to do with that. Horklump juice. That's good for, okay, I think I know what to do with that.
Lumos.
I think I know what to do with that too. That could be like that one. Show me a monkey! Reparo? Reparo? Do I like Reparo that and then like fight them?
Reparo.
Nope. Ha! It was fun to think about it though, huh? Okay, let's go here.
Accio.
That I figured. Yep, that opened the door.
Confringo. Accio. Protego.
I'm gonna die. I'm supposed to... Good.
Confringo. Levioso.
Now heal me back up! It costs health potions, folks. But they're easy because they're weak to fire, guys. Turn around!
Accio.
What do you do with those things? And these things? I don't know.
If only Professor Fig could have seen that.
Turn around. I don't know how to turn around, bro. What do you do with this? What do you do with these? You were looking for the helmet. You got it. I got the helmet? Okay, so how the hell do I get out of here then? Let me try if I... I was looking for the helmet. Oh, let me... I think I took my Loomis. Oh, wait, here's one here. Here's one here. Okay, 4. Okay, I want to go to F2. I want to go to T. I put on that wrong spell, guys. We want Luminos. Oh, we have it.
Lumos.
Huh. That one's closed.
Reparo.
Not Reparo.
Accio.
Now you still need to find a helmet. Bring bones to the skull spikes to build a bridge. Spikes can build a bridge.
Confringo.
To the skull spikes. Oh, okay. Got you.
Accio.
You thought love couldn't... Oh my god.
Confringo.
Now how do I get out of here? Was it one of these? So they're saying you got it as the skulls. You know, that's fine, man.
Accio.
That doesn't have anything to do with that, I don't think. Hey! Oh, so... Okay, so we just did a little challenge right there. We improved our... Oh, and we have 2 nasty X spells. Okay, now is there a boss here? Because I don't want to use those X spells until...
Revelio.
Until I really need them, guys, because I have like massive power right now. You're a good friend to Pulso. Do I need to Pulso now?
Handy
Hi.
resource indeed, your field guide. I'm most pleased to be included.
Save him. Yeah, save him for the boss at the end, huh? Ragnarok.
Revelio.
What was that? Got to remember to use my my damage potions because I don't use them near enough.
There they are. The Ashwinders.
The Asswinders?
I shall cast.
You let Confringo. You've made a grave mistake. Accio, think of cleverness. Ah, there you are. Gotcha. Incendio. Stand and fight me. Potato. Expulso. Expulso. Might want to look up.
No! 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 He was so close. That was so close. Last checkpoint. No health pots. We'll see if it gives me some. Oh my god. The challenge is real, folks. Okay, I got a health pot. And I got my X's back too.
Accio. You made a mistake. Incendio. I've seen your magic. You're going to regret that. Protego. Expulso.
He just runs. He. I'm trying to run. I can't be down here, guys. I can't keep falling down here. I can't keep falling down there. I gotta get out into the fight, guys. The game turned intense since my inquire, but I still search internet for them tunes. Yeah, man. SoundCloud, man. There's some stuff on SoundCloud. There's some stuff on Charlie Sardo. But, oh, man. Hold on one second. Did you see, like, I don't know. I don't even know if that song is a freaking title, man. Let me look real quick and check my Charlie Sardo on YouTube. Charlie Sardo on YouTube. You're gonna get a honky tonk where. That's the song I was just thinking about. You'll get the story about me fighting a 6 foot, 180 pound, 24-year-old when I was like 45, and he quit. And yeah, that's all at Charlie Sardo, just Charlie Sardo on YouTube. That's not Charlie Sardo Gaming. That's my personal thing. There's a whole bunch of Charlie story time with Charlie, a whole bunch of music, me playing country music and stuff in California when I was younger. And then there's a honky tonk where, which is definitely something you want to check out. I just don't have a whole bunch of music up, man. Let the troll fight the Ashwinders fee a bit. The game turned. Nick Carroll says copy. Yeah, look for that one. A honky tonk where. Oh wait. But the other one. Where is that one? I posted that one. It goes, if you don't see my truck parked way out back behind the bar, you probably never know that I was here. If you like Someone's Brother Went Crazy, you might like, that song I wrote with my uncle, man. Hold on one second. Let me, it's so funny. I'm searching for my own name on YouTube. It's definitely not on Charlie Sardo Gaming. It's not on Courtney Charlie band clips. Woo! Mute. Sorry. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, it's Courtney and Charlie. There's some stuff on Courtney and Charlie. Just Courtney and Charlie. The funny thing is there's another Courtney and Charlie, but they're both girls. And I think Charlie spells her name different. But you can get Courtney and Charlie. Oh, wait! I got muted again. Videos. No, first Merle Haggard Day is on there. I put that on Courtney and Charlie. That's a trip. I didn't realize I did that. You Took My Piece of Pizza, famous, very famous video. Courtney and Charlie on YouTube. Yeah, the one song, I recorded it. I just don't know where it is. No CDs. No, Courtney's got a CD. I don't even know if it's available. You might be able to get it on iTunes or something. Courtney Reed. There's another female Courtney Reed, but it's not me. I mean, it's not this Courtney Reed, but this Courtney Reed isn't that one either. So you're saying let them fight? They'll fight each other. So don't attack. Don't attack the big boy. But I have to engage. Right? So just stand back and watch. Don't do anything.
I dream of making a better world for me.
If I likes it, I like it. Accio, come out. You should never have come here. Confringo. Expulso. Step from above.
No! No!
There you are.
Why? I can't control my character.
While you're still alive.
I can't control my character.
Rebellion. Incendio.
Where is he?
Courage in a porlock. Incendio. Expulso.
Okay, so he's jacking him up. Figured you should definitely get A1. Stop shop. So he's fighting them, and they're making him weaker. He's making them weaker. What the hell? I didn't do that on purpose.
Expulso! Look what you've done! What are your thoughts on electricity? Expulso! Expulso!
They fight the troll. No, I'm letting him. I'm letting him. No! Oh, I thought I had more.
Confringo! Confringo!
No! That might be my last chance, guys.
Confringo! Confringo. Confringo.
No! No! I knew it. Oh my god.
Confringo. Confringo. Confringo.
You gotta train yourself to deflect and only roll when the indication is red. Supervise pretty powerful. No! We got it, guys. I did it. Clutched it. Yeah, man. I was one shot. I was one shot, folks. I'm not proud, but I'm proud that I got her done, but I'm not proud at that I was one shot away from dying. But you know what? That's kind of how life works, isn't it? Ambush. I got a health potion. Nothing else here. So where do I go? Where do I go now? Where do I go? Ow, wow, wow. Hold Protego on yellow symbols. Dodge on red.
Revelio.
Hold Protego. This Protego. On yellow symbols. Dodge on red. Okay. So when they put yellow on my head, I hold this. When they put red, I dodge. Is that what you're telling me right now? Did you just like break the game for me? Like, did you just tell me how to? I mean, I just beat that freaking troll without knowing that trick. But you're saying that makes it better? Look at they're like little popcorn guys. Yes. Hold Protego on yellow. Hey!
Incendio.
Make a fire, baby. Where do I go? I don't know what to do here, guys. I don't know what to do.
Revelio.
I don't know what to do. There's a like a diamond where I am. Small bandit camp. Collection chest. Set waypoint. Got yellow symbol on map. So just go to the yellow symbol. I don't have to freaking whoa. I think I gotta go around though.
Confringo.
Confringo! You guys didn't realize I was the best gamer ever! I don't even know. I'd have to know the rules. See, it's leading me back this way, guys. Why? It's leading me back. Why? Recover the helmet!
Revelio.
Do I have the helmet? Love can cross a bridge. What bridge?
Lumos.
What bridge? Oh man. Love can cross a bridge between your house and mine. Mine. Love will cross a bridge.
Revelio.
Looking for a bridge. I hear water. It sounds like a bridge. Go right, they said. Go back, they said. There's a bridge. Ah, where you kept getting knocked into. Okay, now, I think I remember where that is. Can I pass time? Will that screw things up? Oh, it's got... It just had a little yellow pooper on there, but it hasn't been there the whole time. Love can't cross a bridge. I'm not sure if this is the spot.
Revelio. That's it.
This is for Rookwood.
It's blue. Okay.
Levioso. Lumo.
Had enough? You may be more skilled than most.
Seems like
Serve your mission.
child's play.
You regret.
Incendio. Accio.
I'm gonna die. I'm just gonna die.
Is that the best?
Incendio.
I gotta hit a blue...
Incendio.
So they're all dead, sir! Damn. Dude, it was a hassle for me just switching to my,
Lumos.
to my battle things. Purple spells for purple bubbles. Right, I know, man. There's just so much going on, and I'm not smart, man. I'm not a smart man. I'm not a smart man. Okay, so,
Revelio.
so that they were the little secret. Now we just gotta follow the popcorns, folks. I ain't gonna lie. Everything's a little dark.
Lumos.
We're gonna do this. That is so awesome, though. That makes me feel so good. Somebody actually went and found my song. Someone's brother went crazy on SoundCloud, man. Like, that makes me feel good, guys. It really does. It really does, man. I should probably do more music, guys. It's like, I don't know, man. I just don't know. I just don't know, guys. I don't know the correct answer to all this stuff. I got the helmet. Cool about music. Yeah, man. That makes you feel so good, man. Don't sing the judge, bro. No way, man. I sing the judge when I want to sing the judge.
Here, I wonder.
But most importantly, I sing the judge when I want to sing about love, if love can build a bridge. There's a bad guy up here, guys. Right up here. Dude, look how far that is. That's way too high.
Revelio.
See ya! Flying your broom. You're a wizard, Harry. Oh, wait, man. I'm there. I would have never get to kill that doggy. No, you're right. I totally should have flew there. John Sally, you're right. Was huge mistake, but we're there now.
No telling what lies in wait for me in there.
In there. Oh my god. I did it. I did it all!
I retrieved the helmet from the ash.
They didn't think I could do it.
Well done. This is sure to impress Ranrock. The helmet shines even more brightly than I imagined. The etchings, the contour of the profile. Remarkable.
Oh god, he looks... It's stunning. Or it looks like a helmet. He's almost like my precious.
It just looks like a helmet to me.
Ah, you're looking at what it is, rather than what it means. To most goblins, this is more than a mere helmet.
Oh my
did
God.
the thieves a service by recovering it. I know many a goblin who would have killed for it.
Why don't you try and kill me for it,
Glad to be rid of it myself.
little guy?
Thank you. This should earn Ranrock's trust. I will take it to him immediately. It may distract him from his search.
His search?
For you.
It is merely an inkling. You have impressed me greatly, friend. I am glad that I trusted you. We shall speak soon. Best to keep our arrangement quiet for now.
Dude, this game is
I will not
deep,
believe
bro.
that our aims might possibly be aligned.
I already said we weren't, and now you're using the same language. See how I was using the same language that I used against him earlier? Oh my God, we got talent points, folks. We gotta wait till we get to 16 so we can put him in the good spot, guys. Oh my God, dude, that was sick. Now let me see. What? Courtney Reed with the 100 Facebook gaming stars. Courtney, thank you. Courtney 49 minutes ago said, sing to me. Then 100 stars says, you can do it. And then with no stars said, don't sing the judge. So yeah, there's that.